Hello and welcome to this short introduction to FlexCarver. FlexCarver is a content management system. It is used to change content on a website, and in this case in a very straightforward and organized way. We're looking at a page here called Villanka Pearl, and of course it's done in FlexCarver. And when you're not logged in, of course the page functions like any normal web page. You can click through the links and have a quick look. If we move back to the home page and log in, the login is on the bottom here in the footer. We log in. You see that nothing much has changed after login. It's still the same page. We can still surf through the pages, but something did change up here. The chapter FlexCarver appeared. This is because this page is not online, and it only shows if you logged in, so you can change it. And also there's the little plus sign here for adding elements, which we'll get to later. So if we move to this page called FlexCarver, we see it's empty and there's no content. And there the browse and edit feature comes in handy. If we want the title, we just click on the little icon and put in the title we like. Save it. And of course we want some content. We want this to be an image. We pick a nice image, save it. Then we want some text in the page. We put some text in there. And save it. So we have the text here. And in this case, in this actual design of this page, we can, for example, put a hot link, a link to a page within the page. We can put that here. We, for example, picked bungalow. We want a link to the page bungalow within the site, and we save it here. So I picked the page here, and the title is put in automatically. I save it, and we have a cool link to that page. Of course, I can add more if I like. For example, Ayurveda intensive. Again, I pick the link here. Title is filled out, and I save it again. Then I have two underneath each other. And I show you on the home page. I show you, of course, you can put pictures in there as well. I put in the main gallery. I put some pictures in there. This is where you can save titles, links, and everything for the files. And this would be where you upload pictures. So I look on my computer. I've actually prepared three pictures. I drag them there. And FlexCarver actually tells you exactly which crop you need for this particular position in the page. So it's very easy. Just drag and resize the crop. And if you like the actual crop that you picked, you just save the changes. It gives me the next picture right away. And I save the actual crop I want again, like this. And now, of course, it has to do some work. It has to actually calculate the right image. It all does that for me on the server. And since we're live, it takes a little bit in this case. For the developers under us, of course, we can change this prefixed crop size to fit the right position in the page, to fit the right design in the page. So now they're done. They're put on the bottom here. If I like this picture and I want it in the front, I just drag and drop, put it in the front. And if I look in the gallery, you'll see that the first picture is the actual flower. But since this page is live, I don't want to change anything, so I go back to the folder and I remove the file. And I remove that other one as well. So that's how you put in pictures. Yeah, you can also change order of things. So for example, if I look at these hot links here and I want to change the order of them, I go to the hot links, I pick it up, drag it. If I save it again, you see that the last one moved to the third position here. If I over browse edit want to remove it, I just click here and remove it. And I get my plus sign here because now it fits one more. And I can put it back in here if I like. So I click on it. It was Ayurveda Classic. I pick the link here. Ayurveda Classic here. It fills out the link again for me. If I save it, it's back in there again. The plus sign disappeared because now it's full again in this particular design. And this is the way you can change pages. So if I click on another link, I can always just click on the content and make this bold, for example, and save it. Put it back. So that's the way you can change content in FlexCarver. Also for the contact form, which in this case is here, of course you have all the contact data in a database view, and that's here on this tab. I blocked out the email address just shortly because we don't want it to be public, but here would be the addresses. It's all browse and edit again. So if I want to, for example, change my name, I just change it, hit enter, and it saved it right away. Also the comments would be in this page, would be in this database view, and depending on the website you can put any table of the database in this CRUD, in this database overview. Yeah, I have to show you one more cool feature, and that's the search. If you're editing and you want to, for example, look for the word yoga, you just put it in the search field, hit enter, and it tells me exactly in which pages to find the word yoga. It also moves to the right position of the page where it found it. So in this case is the image gallery and the first image. If I, for example, were to look for this image here, beach, and I click on one of the results, it moves me. It puts me right in the right position in the page form where the actual picture was. So if I look again, it would be in the home page, also in the hot links position, in the third one in this case. So it's a very practical view as well. So I hope you enjoyed it. This short introduction to FlexCarver. I log out. My FlexCarver page here is gone, so things are back to normal. And if you really liked it, of course, you can go to flexcarver.net to this particular page here and send me a request over my contact form, or send me a comment on the comment page. Thank you very much for your time. Hope you enjoyed it, and bye bye.